been extremely volatile in the past week with all of these tariffs announcements. There's just a lot of uncertainty in the market, and we're certainly feeling that, and that's the topic of this segment here.
No, that's exactly right. So I think there is a lot to talk about when it comes to volatility. I mean, I think, Chet, when we were preparing for the program this past week, you brought up the notion of, well, there's some math at play here that skews perspectives, if you will.
Yeah, no, absolutely. The Dow Jones is one of the indexes that I think we pay a lot of attention to, and for good reason. It's been around the longest, dating all the way back to 1896, so it certainly has a track record. So for example, a 1,000-point drop, it certainly creates a lot of headlines, and that sounds like a big number. People throw 1,000 points around, but it's important to have some mathematical perspective in terms of just how much the index has grown. It doesn't mean as much as it used to at one point, because 1,000 points, it's less than 2.5% of the index at its current value, where at one point, it would have been a 10% decline, at a smaller value of the index, a smaller size. So I think it's important to use percentages instead of just the actual point value that has dropped, because it creates a lot of fear that is probably unnecessary.